Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to learn how to add zoom effect in CapCut PC. So let's get started. Firstly, you want to have a clip and I will drag this clip on the timeline. Now we will add the keyframe and scale it and it will give a zoom effect like this. Now we will play it. It will look like this. Now you can adjust the frame also like this. You can crop it like this or you can expand it like this. I will duplicate this video by Ctrl C and Ctrl V like this, and for now this clip I will use the reverse effect. By clicking on this reverse it will get reverse completely. Now we will play this video and it will look like this. It will give a really good zoom effect to any clip. This kind of videos you can use on Instagram, Reels and any kind of creative stuffs. It looks really nice. For many such amazing content, please do subscribe to Creative Hub AJ. Thank you.